So when it comes to actually wanting to test your Android applications on a real device, not inside the emulator, there are a couple of things you're going to want to do with your device to make sure that it's set up to be able to do that. Now, I'm actually going to show you on the emulator how you can do this on a real phone, just because it's going to be much easier for me to show you. Now, one of the things about Android is not every phone has the stock Android experience from Google. In fact, very few phones have that. So these settings could be slightly different depending on whether you have an HTC phone, a Motorola, and so on and so forth. But generally, the locations of these settings are in the same place. So we're going to want to click Menu, and then go to Settings. Then you're going to want to go into Applications, and you'll see a choice down here for Development. So the most important thing is that you have USB debugging checked off. Now in the emulator, of course it's checked off because the whole purpose of this is to actually do Android development. There are a couple of other things that you can do. First, you can select it to stay awake so that the screen will never go to sleep. And this can be helpful when you're doing development because you don't want your phone to keep going to sleep and you have to unlock it and so on and so forth. Allow mock locations if you're doing any type of location-based application. Say you're responding to the user's GPS coordinates in order to show them relevant information. When you're doing development, you want to be able to provide fake GPS data to your application so that you can test what it's like for people in, China versus for people in London or California, so on and so forth. So if you're doing location-based applications, you're going to want to check off Allow Mock Locations. So basically, again, the main thing is that you have USB debugging checked off, and that way when you connect your device to your computer with a USB cable, it's going to be set up and it's going to be ready for actual testing of your Android applications.